All right, this is Soulful San Diego, and today I got out and went to Coronado Cays Park. It's a park here in San Diego that allows for drone flying. It's hard to find places to fly my drone. We happen to have an airport right in the middle of San Diego, and it's great. It's very convenient, but we have to be safe, so we can't have little pieces of scraps flying around the air when we have an airport right there. So, I don't, I'm not complaining, but it's hard to find a place to fly in the drone. This is one of them, and it's certainly a beautiful place. There's not a whole lot to see. We have the gorgeous ocean and the beautiful sand and great day. It's just absolutely wonderful. I think it was about 68 or so. Can't beat the San Diego weather. Anyway, yeah, this is our beautiful California, or at least part of it, and I get to enjoy it. Well, you get to enjoy it now too. I am trying my best to get better with my video, and I'm really thankful and I appreciate everyone who's been patient. The videos are kind of but you know what? I'm having fun, and this is my legacy, and as far as I care, there's 20 million people watching my videos, and that's okay. At least it's in my head. So anyway, thanks for watching with me, my friends, and I'll be talking to you soon. Enjoy and happy Memorial Day, especially to all our heroes, living and dead. Yeah, thanks, people. You, you're the ones who make America great.